Hi families, you welcome back to my beautiful channel. This is your girl Doxes once again, and today we are going to be making African black soap liquid. That is liquid soap actually, and you can use this for any production that you want, whether you're making a foaming wash, a foaming cleanser, whether you're making met and pour African black soap. You can right away use it in its liquid form in order not to struggle. Okay, so already I have my black soap, African black soap in its solid form in here. I broke them into pieces in here, and in here I have 200 grams of my African black soap, and then this is my distilled water, and then in here I have 300 grams of my distilled water. This is my preservative, which what I am using is Jamal Plus. No, before you can dilute or mix a soap paste, you will need to go with a ratio. Okay, and for this I am using the 1:1.5 ratio. So I have 200 grams of my black soap in here. That means I'm gonna need 300 grams of distilled water to dilute my paste. Okay, if I'm going for the 1:1 ratio, it means that the same quantity that I have with my black soap, the same quantity is going to be for my distilled water. Okay, that is 200 grams, 200 grams, but I am using the 1:1.5 ratio. Please listen well. Okay, sometimes you would do all the hard works by recording a video, and then some people may ask a question which has already been answered in the video. So please make time to watch the video and then understand it better. Okay, so in here what I'm saying is I have 200 grams of black soap, and then here I have 300 grams distilled water. And what I'm saying is I am using the 1:1.5 ratio. Okay, that means the quantity of my paste or black soap plus half of it. So I'm going to need 200 grams plus another 100 grams, making it 300 grams of distilled water. That is what I mean by the 1:1.5 ratio. Okay, so supposing you are using, supposing you have 500 grams of this black soap, that means you're going to need 750 grams of your distilled water. You understand? That is the 1:1.5 ratio. So if you have this at 500 grams and then you are doing you are doing 1:1 ratio, that means you're going to need the same amount of the 500 grams that you have your black soap in. Right, so in here too I have my preservative, as I said, Jamal Plus, and I measured this according to the weight of both of this. I believe you get this. I measured this preservative according to the weight of both of my black soap and then my distilled water. So this and this is 500 grams. Everything mixed together is going to be 500 grams. Okay, so I have here 0.5% of my preservative, which I measured from both the weight of this and this. That gave me 2.5 grams. Right, so it's easy, simple and easy as ABCD. So I'm going to add my distilled water, and this is I heated this. Okay, I heated this. Right, so it may take a while for this to dissolve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, and then I'll be stirring this until it dissolves totally, but I'll bring you back as to how the process is going, okay, in order not to make the video too long. Right, right guys, so our soap is all dissolved now, so we are good to go to add our preservative, which is Jamal Plus. And you have to add this at room temperature. When you touch your beaker and you feel like your soap is warm or the temperature is down, that is when you have to add your preservative. Okay. Okay. Right, so we are done with liquid soap, liquid black soap. So I'm going to be using this for my Met and Pour. I'm going to be using it for my any other thing that I want to use black soap for in a liquid form. This is what I'm going to be using. Okay, and I added the preservative so that it will prolong the shelf life of my soap, because there's a lot of water in there. Okay, right, so that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. Bye bye.